We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive and detailed overview of the Uncluttered Designs Makeup Organizer with drawers. This product is designed as a modern countertop storage solution for cosmetics, skincare, brushes, lipsticks, nail polish, and more. It features a clean, elegant design with thick, sturdy plastic construction and a chic violet color. The organizer measures 7 inches deep, 11.25 inches wide, and 5.38 inches high, making it compact enough for small spaces but spacious inside with multiple compartments and drawers. It is waterproof and easy to clean, suitable for bathroom, bedroom, or office use. Users appreciate the modern design, noting that the organizer brings a clean and stylish look to their vanity or dresser top. The plastic used is described as thick and sturdy, avoiding the cheap feel of some acrylic organizers. The violet color is generally liked, though some mention it leans more toward pink than purple. The organizer's footprint is small, which makes it ideal for limited counter space, yet it offers multiple shelves, compartments, and drawers that accommodate a variety of cosmetic and skincare products. Functionality is a strong point of this organizer. The different size slots and deep drawers allow users to see all their items at a glance and keep them neatly separated. Many reviewers mention how it has helped reduce clutter on their bathroom sinks and dressers by giving each item a designated place. The drawers slide smoothly and are large enough to hold eyeshadow palette tapes, sample-sized skincare products, hair accessories, and daily use items. Some users store makeup in one drawer and skincare samples in another, finding this separation convenient. The waterproof feature and ease of cleaning are highlighted as major advantages. Users report that spills and product residue clean off easily, making it practical for use near sinks or in humid environments. The organizer is also lightweight, which allows for easy movement when cleaning countertops without needing to remove all contents. Despite many positive comments, some users feel the organizer is slightly smaller than expected, which might limit storage for those with extensive collections. A few reviews mention that the organizer does not fit larger perfume bottles or multiple rows of nail polish bottles, which could be a drawback for some. Durability concerns were raised by a minority of users who found the product less sturdy than anticipated and considered it overpriced for the quality. Overall, the Uncluttered Designs Makeup Organizer is praised for its elegant design, practical layout, and ability to significantly reduce clutter. It offers a professional look without the high cost of custom cabinetry. It is especially recommended for those who want a stylish and functional organizer with easy maintenance. The product's versatility allows it to be used for cosmetics, skincare, hair products, and other beauty supplies, making it a great addition to any vanity or bathroom counter. If you own this makeup organizer, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This organizer is a solid choice for anyone looking to keep their beauty items neat, visible, and easily accessible.